Let's use the File tool to add a direct link to a document for our learners. This link will show up right on our course page. Drop down your Add a Resource menu and choose File. If you are a Moodle 1.9 user, you're used to seeing Link to a File or Website for this purpose. Now we have our own resource just called File. On the File Settings page, give your file a name. This isn't the name of the document that's saved on your computer. This is the name that will appear on your course page as a visual cue to your learners of what file they're about to download. You may consider including the words "download" to start the name of your file, so it looks something like this. You may also consider putting the extension PDF, Doc, XLS, etc. onto the end of your name. This will also cue your learners as to what kind of file they're about to download. Add a description if you'd like that describes what the file will be. You can choose later to display this description on your course page. For example, I might write, in your description, consider providing information about the document download. For most kinds of files, the file will download to the user's computer on either their desktop or to their Downloads folder. Not every user knows where files go that come from the Internet browser. Still, other users may have the documents open automatically. If you're providing a document that is used by proprietary software like Microsoft Office, provide an alternate format for the document that can be accessed by someone without those expensive programs. You may want to put up a PDF or a link to a file in Google Docs, which will be a free, editable version of a document that user will otherwise be unable to view. When you're finished your description, if you'd like it to appear on the front page, check the box. Now you're ready to add your file. Click the Add button and browse in either the server files for other course files you have already, or upload a new file to share with your learners. Click Choose File to browse your computer. Click Upload this file, and the file will appear here. Before you keep moving, consider the name of your actual document. Even though you might have provided a very descriptive name that will appear on your course page, if the name of your actual file is cryptic or only means something to you, your users will have a hard time finding it once it downloads to your computer. Take the responsible step now of providing a good name for your document. Drop down the little menu beside the file name and click Rename. Then, describe the document here. Try to use a word that appears in the Moodle name of this file download. That way the user could search their computer if they weren't sure where it went. Scroll down to the Options section. The first item is how the file will be displayed for your learner. Let's look at each of these options individually. The automatic option means that Moodle will choose the best display option for the file type that's selected. It will read the extension on your document, such as PDF, PPT, DOC, and decide how best to handle the file. Embed will work by displaying the file within the page below the navigation bar. This is especially effective for images, such as maps, charts, graphs, etc. It's not effective for Word documents or PowerPoints or other items that use proprietary software. You can't display those right inside the window of your browser. Force download is a better option for files such as those, because it will force the file to be dropped off on the user's computer. Open, in pop-up, in frame, and new window you can look at individually on your own. For the syllabus, which is a PDF, I'm going to choose Force Download. Let's see how it looks. Save and return to course. You'll find that our document is linked here, and the description is shown just beneath it to provide my user with more information about how the file will be handled. When I click on the document, it downloads quickly to my computer and then opens in a PDF program. That's it. You're ready to link to a file. Now you try.